Amazon's best value. Amazon Fire TV Stick 4K. Simple setup. Roku Premiere. Amazon has been refining the Fire TV platform for many generations, and the latest Fire TV Stick is the culmination of all those years of refinement. It plugs right into the HDMI port of your 4K TV and also includes the functionality of Alexa. $30 at Amazon. Pros. Cons. The Roku Premiere is a compact 4K streamer that offers quite a lot of value for a low price. Roku supports all the major streaming services, including Netflix, Hulu, and Amazon Prime, along with a vast library of free channels offering varied content. $33 at Amazon. When comparing the Amazon Fire TV Stick 4K versus the Roku Premiere, your choice might just be down to your allegiance to Amazon's broader ecosystem of products and services, because they both offer a ton of great content to stream with user-friendly interfaces. Both can deliver 4K HDR quality where available, while the Fire TV Stick offers a remote with built-in voice controls. In addition, both offer support for Alexa, but only the Roku is compatible with a Google Assistant for searching for and playing content. Amazon Fire TV Stick 4K versus Roku Premiere. Let's break it down. Source: Android Central. The first thing you'll notice is that there are some distinct differences in design between the two. The Fire TV Stick 4K is a compact dongle that plugs right into the back of your TV, with an included HDMI extender cable if space is pretty tight. The Roku Premiere is similarly compact and includes an HDMI for connecting to your TV, but it's light enough to be mounted to the back of your TV. Amazon Fire TV Stick 4K. Roku Premiere. Dimensions: 4.7 by 1.6 by 0.5 in. 3.3 by 1.4 x 1 in. Supports 4 kelvins. Yes. Yes. Supports HDR. Yes. Yes. Remote with microphone. Yes. No. Works with Alexa. Yes. Yes. Works with Google Assistant. No. Yes. On the software side of things, you're bound for a similar experience no matter which device you choose. Both devices let you customize your home screen with your favorite content sources, and the interfaces are intuitive and familiar if you've ever used a streaming service before. Amazon does a predictably good job pointing you towards its own video streaming and Alexa's built-in functionality on the remote. Of course, if you want, you can also control your TV through Amazon's minimalistic Fire TV app. You'll be able to find the most popular streaming services on the best Fire TV Stick, including YouTube and Apple TV. Who would have thought that when this product came out? Roku also makes some of the best streaming products, but it has no direct stake in the streaming service game. It isn't competing so head-to-head with Google, so there's a ton of streaming services and channels under the Roku umbrella. Each service gets equal weight on the Roku platform, but the remote does prominently feature hotkey buttons for Netflix, Sling, Hulu, and DirecTV Now, so that's a convenient inclusion if you're a subscriber to any of those services. And while there is no microphone on the remote, you can control your TV with the Roku app. From here, you can control everything from your phone, plug in headphones for private viewing sessions, and use a mobile keyboard when you're searching for content to watch. You can also conveniently cast content from your phone to your Roku connected TV, which might come in handy the next time you're able to have a party. Amazon Fire TV Stick 4K versus Roku Premiere. Which should you choose? Source: Android Central. These two streamers are pretty evenly matched in all the areas that matter. Still, we must pick a winner, and ultimately we feel that the Alexa voice remote and slicker interface weigh in Amazon's favor. However, if you're not heavily invested in Amazon's ecosystem, or if you want access to Google Play apps, then the Roku Premiere might be the better option for you. Either way, you're going to be entertained. Alexa-powered Amazon Fire TV Stick 4K. Amazon's Fire TV Stick 4K offers a quick and simple upgrade to most any TV in your home. Powered by Fire TV OS with Alexa available at your beck and call, the Fire TV Stick 4K is your best streaming option from Amazon. It's a full-featured dongle with support for HDR 4K and Dolby Vision that can also be controlled by your Amazon Echo speakers. Available for just $50. What's not to love? View at Amazon. Deal ends Friday the 24th of December. View at Newegg. View at Newegg. Best value. Roku Premiere. Roku offers the best streaming content, all contained in a compact package. Roku managed to undercut Amazon in price but came up a bit short in terms of features. Having said that, Roku devices are both easy to set up and use, and there's a ton of great content channels available. If you're not already bought into the Amazon Echo ecosystem, it's a pretty great option. View at Amazon. View at Newegg. View at Amazon. We may earn a commission for purchases using our links. Learn more. You're hot, then you're cold. No C-wire. These smart thermostats bypass the usual power requirement. If you're going from an older thermostat to a new smart one, you may find that your system is without a C-wire. If that's the case, you can install one, pay to Insta-loan, or simply grab one of these smart thermostats that don't even need one. Save some power. Can't use 2.4 GHz? You can still set up a smart plug in your home. Can't use 2.4 GHz, but still want the convenience of a smart plug? There aren't many options just yet. However, you can still get connected with the dual-band smart plug from Broadlink that works with 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi, so you stay connected even if your router doesn't work with 2.4 GHz. Better Stadia support. Stadia will now work on these Android TV devices. Google enables more Android TV hardware to stream video games from the cloud tier television through Stadia. Here is every Android TV device that will officially support it.